Incredible. Most people at 55 are looking to slow down, but this man decided to pick up a circular saw for the first time in his life. He had zero experience, a pile of raw timber, and a dream to build a garden studio that looks like it belongs in an architectural magazine. Right now, he's dipping the wood ends in preserver to create a chemical barrier against moisture and rot. Here's the clever trick this man used: plastic sheets as the foundation to save weight and money. With the foundation laid and leveled, it's time to start the base frame assembly. He's piecing together the primary floor joists on top of the supporting blocks, creating the essential footprint that will carry the entire weight of the finished studio. To keep the structure from moving, he's using Abalancer to ensure the floor joists are perfectly flat across the entire base. This precision at the start is crucial, as even a small tilt now would lead to major alignment issues once the walls and roof go up. Now the builder is using a G-nailer to secure the planks to the floor. These high-pressure tools fire long nails in a fraction of a second, which is way faster and much easier on the thumbs than using a traditional hammer. Now it's time to cut off the excess wood. Maybe he can give this to beavers so they can use them in their dams. Now the wall will be assembled. Remember, he's doing this at 55. Now he's transitioning to wall framing. He's assembling the studs and plates flat on the deck, a tilt-up technique that ensures the frame is perfectly square and plumb before it's anchored to the subfloor. Now all the windows and door frame is going on. This build really is coming well together. To finish off the front, he's installing the final base plate and checking it with a spirit level. In a build like this, staying level and true at the base is the only way to ensure the doors and windows don't bind once the final cladding is on. With the wall panels tilted up, it's time for the internal skeleton. He's anchoring a central structural post to the bottom plate using an impact driver, ensuring the roof weight is evenly distributed so the frame stays rock solid for years to come. With the main structure secure, it's time to raise the roof rafters. He's lifting the pre-cut timber into place to bridge the span between the walls, creating the critical support system needed before he can add the final roof decking. With the roof decking complete, he's rolling out a heavy-duty EPDM rubber membrane. This single-sheet layer is the ultimate defense, ensuring the entire studio stays 100% watertight, regardless of what the weather throws at it. With the membrane in place, he's securing the edge trim to the roofline. This provides a clean, professional finish and creates a tight seal that prevents water from creeping under the rubber at the most vulnerable points of the structure. And there it is, from a pile of raw timber to a stunning, modern garden studio. It's hard to believe a 55-year-old with zero experience and just one helping hand managed to build something this professional and cozy. It just goes to show that with the right plan and a bit of grit, anyone can master the craft. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to join the crew for more construction deep dives. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next site.